Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and something I'm always worrying about is being stranded alone on the side of a road. Well, I don't have to worry quite as much about that now that I have this emergency roadside kit by First Secure. This is one of the most comprehensive roadside kits that I have ever seen, and I am so happy to call it my own. The two things I was most excited for were the air compressor because I have had several flat tires in my day. So now I can plug and pump up the tire all on my own without having to wait for an emergency service. But I also love that it has a window smasher because let's be honest, my biggest fear as a mom is getting stuck in a body of water in my car with my kids and not being able to get out. So I actually took the window smasher out of the kit and it now sits in my middle console so it's easy to grab. But this kit has even more than that. It comes with a tow rope, work gloves, a headlamp, a multi-tool, a first aid kit, and of course, jumper cables. This kit has it all. And I'm not going to say that I'm excited to break down, but I'm definitely excited that I'm going to have this with me if it should ever happen again. So give yourself a little peace of mind and get yourself one of these First Secure roadside emergency kits. You are not going to regret it. And that's my point of view.